Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by powering off the Skullcandy Crusher headphones and unplugging any cables. Place them on a clean, flat surface and gather supplies. Prepare an 8x8 inches microfiber cloth, cotton swabs, and a small bowl. Pour a little 70% isopropyl alcohol into the bowl for controlled dampening. Avoid spraying liquids directly onto the headphones to protect electronics. Have a small, soft brush and a container for screws nearby before you begin. Gently remove each ear pad by twisting the outer edge to release the seam. Inspect foam and fabric for damage before cleaning the pads separately. Lightly dampen the 8x8 inches microfiber cloth with 70% alcohol and wipe each pad surface. Use a cotton swab with 70% alcohol to clean creases and seams without soaking. Allow the pads to air dry at room temperature for 5 minutes before reattaching them. Reattach the pads by aligning the seam and pressing until they click. With pads removed, use compressed air in short bursts to remove dust from grills. Next, gently brush grills with a soft brush to lift stubborn debris away. Avoid liquids on speaker driver openings to prevent damage to internal components. Wipe the headband and external plastic parts with the damp microfiber cloth and dry immediately. Let all components sit for 10 minutes to ensure full drying before reassembly. Reattach cushions, reconnect cables, power on, and test audio and bass controls for proper function.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.